Scripts tab is one I haven't demonstrated yet. Again, I import from one of these tabs, and you could paste your own, you could move and copy tabs into here. And this gives you a bunch of options to convert the table to comma separated, pipe delimited, tab separated, XML, which might take a little while to generate. There we go, XML. You have a few options for Python. It creates a data frame in Python. So you convert a table in Excel to data frame code, or you could do list, in which case you would choose something like customers. Mongo, JSON, JavaScript. And there's list box, which will essentially do the same thing as hitting a button.